setting up one of our SmartJacks right now. This is our Crawlspace support system. So we're starting off with a good bit of crushed stone here. As that's poured in, that gets tamped with each layer. We set up our base plate. You can see here, it gets leveled off. We'll measure from our plate to the girder that we're trying to support. Cut our steel tube down to size. And then the actual jack itself is right here. It's a heavy duty galvanized screw jack that gets set up and fastened into the beam. Leveled off, of course. Make sure everything looks good. And then from there, we take a wrench, somebody upstairs, and we'll just kind of turn and achieve our lift like that. But no matter what, it'll be permanently supported. And for some reason we ever need to come back a couple years down the line and adjust it a little bit, got about 4 inches of thread on your jack. And so you can always come back and make adjustments as needed and keep everything supported.